money. Got the drivey.
Washy.
Washy. Oh.
What?
Bucc-ee is in the bag in the back.
I think you can go into Buc-ee's without bringing him. I think because you don't want to.
Well, we were gonna do a skit before we got there, but he's in the back, eh?
We were doing a skit.
Well, Bucky and I discussed it previously, but
oh well.
We'll do the skit after the stop.
Okay.
Let's get out of here.
If we can.
Beware of the Buc-ee's.
I saw people from the cruise in the Buc-ee's.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's weird.
The parents who sped by us with the birth certificates.
Oh. Yeah. Well, they had to go to a different line.
With the little kids.
Because the kids weren't going to be on facial recognition that wasn't working anyway.
Yeah. I couldn't recognize their kids.
One of the, let's just say, details of when you cruise out of Galveston is that 80% of the human beings that you meet on said cruise are from Texas. Because
true.
You don't have to get on an aeroplane. You can just drive down to Galveston and help yourself on a cruise ship.
That is true. Si, senor.
So
Pizza.
It's like old home days, and everybody can just chillaxy and.
A lot of them at the Buc-ee's.
Yeah, I didn't recognize anyone at the Buc-ee's, and that was a good thing.
So you went shopping at Buc-ee's?
I did. Bucky was happy that we stopped at the Buc-ee's, obviously. This is the one I wanted to stop at on the way down, and you refused to stop.
We had to go see the
Buc-ee's
we had to go see the armadillo.
Right. You just wanted to stop this time to see the Buc-ee's Banos.
Yes, I went to the Buc-ee's Banos.
Buc-ee Banos.
Very clean Banos.
You know what? These ones and the other one we stopped at on the way down, they don't have the lights to show you which toilet's available. That one we stopped at last time had the lights, which was nice. I mean, they have the dials on the doors, which are good too, but the light system was very impressive.
So you like the bathroom light show?
Yeah, just availability.
The baño light show.
Red light means no baño available. Green light means baño available.
I'm sure Bucky thought of that himself.
He's always thinking, that guy. He's always thinking. So, what did we buy at the Buc-ee's? We got Buc-ee cheese
curls,
because they look good. So it's Cheetos, but Buc-ee brand.
Okay. What else?
I saw them, I became hungry.
Okay.
And I got myself a Buc-ee shirt.
A Buc-ee Halloween shirt?
No. Buc-ee with cacti.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
There you
Buc-ee's
go.
Texas.
Okay.
And for my desk at work, a tiny Christmas Buc-ee. He's wearing a Santa hat. And they had him hanging on the Christmas tree. He's
You didn't buy the whole tree?
No. So now, look, Buc-ee can hug tiny Buc-ee. It's a perfect
like a
situation.
Personality situation happening.
Buc-ee can hug the tiny Buc-ee. And they had the Buc-ee puppets in there, so my Buc-ee is not a limited edition. They had lots of Buc-ee puppets in there.
I really don't think that would be a limited edition. I think they would have a lot.
Should we wave at the guy asking for help?
No, he needs help, and we're not giving it to
him. Okay. That was all I got at the Buc-ee's.
We're cruel people. We're not stopping for help.
I got a shirt, Cheez-Its, and a tiny Buc-ee. That was the whole
Congratulations.
enchilada. Oh. I was like, where are they going? Onto the highway.
We are now going to make the home stretch to home. Well, we're a mile from the house.
Yay.
Another successful journey.
Yes, I have to look at my photos.
I know, I haven't looked at my photos either.
I didn't look at my photos for my pre-vacation vacation.
Well, you have a lot of photos to look for.
Yeah.
But we had another successful adventure, and now it's to edit video, for which you've watched by now, but there is a lot to edit, and many segments this year. A lot of ramblings, a lot of conversations.
We'll be posting until Christmas.
This could be, you could be watching this final video at Christmas time. That is true. I'm going to do my best to edit as quickly as possible. But we do have a lot of ground to cover. We did go many miles in our nautical miles in our journey. Yes. So it could take a while to get through it all, and figure it all out. And then there just may be random videos of, I don't know, animals and us.
Could be.
Yeah, but we have to look back on the Scott falling off the wall, climbing the Aztec temple, or Mayan temple, not Aztec. Mayan. There is drinking at the bar. There
was, because this is the last video.
There was this, yes. But and the good news is, after this video, there is one more to come. I will be posting our first draft at our Amazing Race audition tape, for which you can leave comments in case we need to change things that you feel may better position us
to get picked
to be on the race without having to fill Phil's palm with money.
Phil doesn't make any decisions. He's not the casting director. He's the guy.
He's just the guy.
He gets to travel to all the places.
So that will be happening. We may get home today, but this truck in front of us is...
He's pulling over.
Having some decision-making issues.
He's deciding where he wants to be so that he can fill his rental truck with things.
Or deliver something, who knows. So now there's only one last surprise, which is opening up the garage door and seeing if there are any surprises.
I gotta say, this crazy house doesn't really look like it belongs in your neighborhood.
No, that color of that house is way
I
off.
like the color of that house.
We have no
homeowners association to stop them.
We have no way to stop them. Right?
Nice. That's the way I live.
They still haven't finished fixing the road.
They're working on it.
But thank you for putting up with me for a week.
You're very welcome. I still have another day and a half of hanging out in Texas until I return to the Great White North.
Which could be white by the time you get there.
I'm sure it'll be fine. I don't hit this dude.
No, we're not going to hit the dude. And just as I had imagined, the garage door is wide open.
Oh, you didn't do that?
No, I did not do that. Son of a bitch.
Don't hit the tube of the thing.
All right. Well, Kier, love ya. Been fun.
Love you too. Bye.
We're done.
Good night, camera.
Good night.